This video, we're going to cover how to integrate JVZoo with WishList Member. Now, one thing of note right up front is as of May of 2018, JVZoo actually changed the way, not just ours, but a lot of its integrations worked. And so this one's going to be a little bit different than probably some of the other integrations if you've worked with any of the other ones. So most of what we need to do over here is actually inside of JVZoo. So the first thing that we'll want to do, this is sort of the home page. We'll go to the seller's dashboard and you'll see it says add product. You may have a list, but you want to add a new product or to edit an existing one. And all of the stuff up in here can sort of be saved however you prefer. It's really up to you. The thing that matters with WishList members, we come all the way to the bottom, you'll see there's this checkbox for adding a WishList member integration. Again, like I said, there's a number of these that they've done this with. So go ahead and click that. You'll see right here there's instructions. If that's something, if you want to read more about the instructions and the change and all that, you can click that link and do so. I'm going to walk through it here anyway, so it's pretty straightforward at this point. So what you'll see that they ask here for is the API URL and the API key. So to get that in WishList Member, we actually don't need to go to the integrations. We go to Advanced Options and we go to API. And you'll see the API URL here. So we'll go ahead and copy that, put that over inside of JVZoo, and then we need the API key. So we'll copy that and we'll drop that over here. Now you need to hit save on this. It's going to give me a bunch of errors because there's certain information that needs to be filled out on here. So you'll obviously, when you're doing this, you'll want to go ahead and fill out this information. But the thing with WishList Member and the integration here, you'll notice that the WishList membership level gets populated. So we'll go ahead. What you want to do is for this particular product, select the membership level that you want someone added to. And so when you do that, now when someone purchases this product in JVZoo, they are going to be added to this membership level inside WishList Member. And so that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Then you can go ahead and finish setting up your product however you want. And JVZoo is of course going to give you some sort of link to be able to send people to this checkout page. You'll just sort of use that. You'll use that on your sales page and you'll be good to go. So it's really pretty straightforward. It kind of bypasses our regular integration processes and uses our API, which is perfectly fine. It works great, makes this actually a lot simpler to set up. So there you go. That's integrating WishList Member with JVZoo.